yes. When we fall in here, we will show on top your TV screen. You know, saying the men them with the all the session things we concern babies and bubbles them. This one at the show we call BOBOS yarn. Yes, so with the yarn, and we talk the talk. We done the same relationship before you forget since 2014. We don't show again today. We don't show. I get my mouth for ass when I know regular guy. You know they go anywhere. Yeah. For this bar one night, I wonder.
Today, I the jogodo. Tomorrow we go.
I don't tell you, me you forget
this bar. The jogodo. The person where you invite come now drunk. He don't drink all the drink. Finish. Introduce them before the show film because you don't drink everything.
Now so Melvin said, did you Melvin come?
Why are they like this?
I don't know.
I don't know why we have people that are not responsible in this country anymore. Well, do they see me drink like this?
Please, I know someone they see the guy where they show for on a screen. We're black. Like
he has finished the alcohol.
In fact, the whole alcohol where they buy, don't drink and finish.
Hey!
I don't understand. If when I know this guy is the only guy in this town that I know that will turn you from ugly to fine. This is the only man that will bring things on top of you and the things will change your ministry. This is the only guy that I know that he will use thread and needle and turn you to a superstar. Please, ladies and gentlemen, show him drinking alcohol here in the bar. Yomi casual.
He don't even introduce you well. He they call you waiting. Now Taylor. Taylor, wait don't hammer. Yomi, I want to ask you, but I ask you.
Boy, this thing makes sense. Very good.
Yomi, I want to ask you public. Now only Taylor, that Taylor and I they give you this money where you get so. Or something else there.
Which kind of question now?
That question was strong.
Answer now, because we need to motivate the viewers that.
And yeah, true. I think so buying idea.
Because I don't believe.
You don't believe, Abi?
Your last car, that your car, what did they call it again?
The Chevrolet Camaro.
In the year?
2012.
Cameron 2012. How much you buy?
Might tell you something.
Wait, how much you buy?
Forget about the amount.
I want to know now. How much is it?
That car is worth 8.5 in Nigeria.
Sorry?
8.5.
Now tell me that.
Wait.
8.5.
Wait.
Please allow him.
Okay, explain yourself.
Explain.
What are you saying?
I don't want to explain.
So are you telling me that?
I want to let you know something.
That I'm in the wrong profession? Is that what you're saying?
No. You are very good at what you do.
Okay.
When God blesses what you do.
So now I never bless them.
I don't know.
God.
I don't know.
God bless my profession. bless my hustle. Because this, you know what Yomi, when Yomi starts this industry, let me tell you, he name na comic. What did they call himself?
What is the word this day?
Yomi.
So you see,
this guy when he starts na comedian for worry, he name na Yomi.
You see why you have to stay for friends like this?
Tell us, please tell your fans.
They have shovel to
no, you know what I'm saying. Tell your fans why you left that Yomi.
You know. Okay, fine. Way back, I used to be a comedian. Way back in school, and that thing, not be small thing. Then I believe that my career day. Even before I started comedy. I don't do comedy before I start comedy. So for hours that time, I'm be comedian. For sure that time, we're not chaperone anymore.
Now, AY brother, sorry. AY younger brother, now I be this. In case you don't know. Continue, sir. Continue.
Yeah. So way back, now me be the comedian for the house. Now me, they see me as that comedian. Like, for winners chaperone, any event where they come up.
Now you.
Now you. Number one. They poster.
So what's it going to happen?
For one fateful day. When God don't call you for something.
Because many people they receive this call, man, and you're not being called.
No, yeah. Because I now realize I called myself.
Because you sent an SMS.
Not be God now call me. One day God said, my son, I send you go to school. Focus on this school. I did Auchi Polytechnic. Then I said, man, for school I rain. I gone banner for everywhere. Yomi. All the girls hostel. Yomi for everywhere. My phone
and
number.
And they sound like food. Yomi. Yomi.
I can't even the pride itself. And they proud.
Now you can't go event. Wait, not for your story. Wait.
One major event. That night they will say, guy, come. Tonight your day. Jeans Carnival for school. They put money for poster. Put me a picture. They paint me as a major art for that day. Comedian from art and design. And then for school, every art from art and design is strongest.
Almost
as I show, The announcement, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome this guy from Art and Design. He's one of the best in our protecting. Very funny.
Shouts.
Everybody, they do it. Oh man, and they invite me. I come and me too. I gosh, come outside.
Confidence.
So I come out, I hold mic at the front fella, just like this. I hold mic. Oh man, that day, all the G's run.
Everything.
My brain empty.
And that day now you can't know say you will tell her.
And that day now I know say, man, even that day, are you able to Taylor?
That's all. It makes sense. It makes sense as you did now. You know,
as in, I they perform.
You know,
guys, they watch me. My joke, they bounce, come back. I go. It can't play. Say nobody they hear me.
Hey.
I can't do my career. Say nobody they hear me.
Hey.
Oh my everybody, they fine. No, the last thing we happen, we say, guys, just lift me up from stage. Can't go backstage.
Hey.
From that day, go. I just sneak out for back. I want 3 a.m. and they go my hostel. Well, I don't know whether they want to rob me or not.
I want to prophesy to people watching. Every yomic in your life.
No.
Every yomic. May God change it to yomic as well.
Yes, amen.
Now you don't agree because you need to find your real calling.
Yeah, Yomi, but we enter the major
the main matter.
Today. Yes, you know, say for this bar, we dey talk things we concern guys, we concern babes, relationships, and all those kind of things. We just want to talk about this specific matter today. You say for you dey for house, maybe you dey listen. We just want you on this serious matter today. Say you go fit marry woman with the extremely jealous. You be man.
You know,
so
ask,
you go
this
fit.
question where you ask, you for ask and say you go fit marry 3, 4, 5 women where they jealous. This one don't fit marry one only.
Why? You know what I mean? Now so
And
just
they lie.
now the
Am I
matter we want to
lying?
talk about today. Say person
Am I
you go fit
lying?
marry very jealous
on me.
very
Focus
jealous
on
man.
that.
You know,
Focus on
person,
that.
you know say jealousy
Along
get
the
stage.
line, you know, along the line, you meet some stupid people. It's one of
You
them.
see person where they say focus on me already. That means you want to make me jealous. This one cannot handle only one woman. Now 4, 5.
No.
Now 4, 5.
He not really know me well. The people, the people that knows me very well.
They know that you are what? The faithful lover.
Them Elenu and the Sheila. Yeah. The people that knows me.
That you are faithful ones.
This guy don't know me.
I wish Elenu
my
could just.
faithful girl Elenu. So he know me very well.
I wish Elenu can just walk into this banner and shock
No.
and surprise.
Yeah, I mean, really, you know,
I'm
say
telling you.
jealousy now one very strong thing. When we say they break homes, they break marriages, they break relationships, and some they keep them.
Yeah. But you know one thing about me, we say I can't be with a woman that's not jealous of me. Seriously, if your woman not they jealous of you,
Because your God is a
that
jealous
means
God.
she not feel anything for you.
Hey! Kayama!
No. If not naturally, even as a woman, you deal with a man. The man a man should chase you. I believe.
So you love the jealousy.
My brother, that thing is very important.
But you
Very
know, say,
important.
you get how woman go there very.
But some they too much.
You understand?
Now that too much part now
Some
I
dey
want
too
to make
much.
we enter because
Some dey too much.
I don't see people wey say she jealous so they every time now like every 2 weeks the guy they buy new phone because he dey slam the guy phone. He dey break the phone. She dey even do so she dey even enter abuse.
I can't date a violent woman.
You know say
How
jealous.
you want take no?
When you vex.
How you want to say
no? I go know now.
If you don't know that first and say that woman is
You don't date
violent.
woman for 3 months, 4 months. By that time, she don't show her character now.
My dear, some people they hide them.
No, you're not gonna wide and rich. Me, I
Some
dey test
woman.
you. See my.
Tell her, how do you test?
Me, I dey sex
You
trap
made
for
by
woman. No.
you the sex
I dey
trap.
sex trap for woman.
You sex trap for woman?
Some sex. I dey sex trap. You see your problem.
Because I know there's no trap you will set that is not only the sex trap. No, I know. I don't hear say Yomi they always put sex trap for you.
Sex
Make
trap.
my talk finish now. That if Yomi put sex trap for you, that is the plan. He say he wants to. He go talk say he won't have sex with you. But when you come, if you can't fall for that trap, he no can't do. As Yomi they never do many girls. If you just come, if you just say if Yomi invites you come in house the first day and you ever open your leg, then you will never have him in. I'm just telling you, as you say, you know the crank, Abi. Am I lying?
What are you saying?
I don't understand.
I
ask question.
am I selling the wrong market?
I don't even know what
Or you want
I don't know
more
which
to
kind of market
I
you
don't
dey
even
say.
know what you're saying. Funny enough.
But because right now, I really want to make una talk about this jealous thing because this jealous thing are really something we say it they disturb
I don't
people.
talk my mind. Be say the bottom line is that if I'm my woman, naturally you're supposed to jealous. There are times that I will just say I don't want to make my woman jealous. I'll just kind of find babes. You see, I'll just add there for BBM.
Just to see her reaction.
I will just leave some shots. Make she just go see.
Hi.
May no say, man,
Relationship
girls get
secrets.
interested. Not only you.
You understand?
So to put her back in shape, say, miss. So you got to feel say, man, are too much. I go put her back in her shape. Say, man, other girls they
follow you.
For your mind, if you say I'm not rich again, Abi.
No, but Yomi, in your own case, what else? How else do you want to make your girlfriend jealous? You drive one of the best cars in Lagos. What else? What else is if you cannot add more jealousy to that one again?
My brother is.
I'm just advising you.
It's never too much,
because all like you want to use.
My brother,
let me tell you, it's a lie.
Keep trying.
It's a lie. Let me tell you this, Yomi Nawayo. Man, we don't get money. They successful. You don't need to want to make your girl jealous. You know that she cannot go anywhere. But people like men like maybe they will go now like this, we never really hammer, because we were already made.
Man, tell you one thing about women.
Why you they call Ugo?
Wait, no, Ugo.
No, wait, don't worry. No, the time I'm just saying.
Now, why you they call Ugo?
No, now example. Now, just the main topic now him, no be this now him be the issue. The fact that he's successful, you understand? So you don't need to show anything. They say, I want to put 3 girls on my DP, make my babe. Now lie.
Let me tell you one thing.
A man that wants to cheat like him is a cheat. It's a lie.
I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. If I'm cheating, I will claim my shot. I'm not cheating. I will leave and there.
You know the worst. It is called. Excuse me. There's something called selective chats.
I bet before you go enter selective chat,
don't let me tell you more.
Our men them got talk about this matter. Make you drag go for streets. And the matter where they talk about, and I say you fit to marry partner with the extremely jealous.
Yomi said yes.
Jealous. Will they come back? Not go anywhere.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.